Welcome to my Nook. Okay. It's heavy. Okay. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. So, as you can tell from the title, today we are decorating. I am standing here in my lovely entryway that is very bare, needs some TLC, and also have a nook that's off of my dining room that needs a little help as well. I've just been kind of procrastinating and taking my time because it's very hard to decorate a narrow or a small space without it feeling cluttered. You have to find the right pieces. So I've been looking on Pinterest, Instagram, coffee table books, and I finally came across an image that just inspired me to get up and just do it. You guys know I love using Canva to kind of visualize what I have going on in my mind just so I can see how they'll look in real life. So I picked out some pieces, put them together, and some stuff I had, some stuff I needed to purchase. I started with my entryway and came out with a few different layouts. I knew that I wanted it to be minimal, but still like classic, timeless, and well styled. Not too much going on. I mean, it's just an entryway. You're just gonna walk past it. But I do want this to be aesthetically pleasing. And like I said, I played around with a bunch of different layouts and I came up with the perfect one. I wasn't really sure if I wanted a 3-shelf console table or just a 2. I tried out the 3-shelf and I felt like it looked like a little bit too much. Like I said, this space is very small, as you can see. So I just went with the 2-shelf and I think it worked out perfectly. The one I really want has been out of stock for like weeks. I'm still kind of waiting and hoping.
Waiting for my time to come. Waiting. Just waiting.
That it comes into stock, but for now, the piece that I have, I think it'll work out. So here are the things that we're gonna use in this little space. We have the 2 mirrors that are already hanging right here to my right. I already hung those up just for the sake of the video, so it won't take up too much time. And I really feel like these open up the space. So we're gonna use these mirrors. We're gonna use a console table. I also have these glass bottles that I bought a long time ago from TJ Maxx, and I just painted them with some white and beige paint. I mixed it up with some baking soda.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
So it would look ceramic, so I'm going to use those. And I also want to kind of style up the top of the console table, maybe with a picture, maybe a candle. You know, we're just gonna kind of play around. I have a lamp that I want to put in this space, so I don't have to use the overhead light all the time. If I have like guests, I can just kind of have some little, you know, mood lighting over here. Some little, you know, mood lighting over here. So I'm just gonna kind of dig in, put some stuff together, kind of let you guys watch, and hopefully it turns out really well. So keep it locked. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the console table. Like I said, this spot is very narrow, from the wall to the to where the door starts is like 10 inches. So I wanted something like a little bit slimmer so I can open the door without it like hitting everything or kind of blocking the door from opening all the way. So the console table is actually 8 inches wide. So I think it's gonna be perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here.
I need your body in ways that you don't understand, but I'm losing my patience, 'cause we've been going over and over again. Girl, I just wanna take you home. Girl, I wanna pull up on you right now. So baby, won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Oh baby, won't you send me your location? Let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Hey, you girl with all the tight, tough skirt. Get that ass in the bed, I'ma lock the door. Shake that ass like boom, shakalaka boom. We don't need nobody watching us. Last night took a L, but tonight I bounce back. I've been broke as hell, catch the check and bounce back. I know you see me shining, yeah. Knew that ass was real when I hit it, bounce back. These Cape Town, LAX, every night I bounce back. Licking your private parts, and I know you love your privacy.
Alright y'all, so this is what I'm working with right now. Like I said, I put these mirrors up before the video because I didn't want it to take up too much time. I used my handy dandy level to put them up and it made it a breeze. So they're like perfectly level, straight and everything. And I feel like they really open up the space. I knew I wanted a mirror because I really feel like it's important. Like if I'm leaving, I need to look at myself real quick, make sure I'm straight, make sure I got on, you know, the right attire, everything looks good. So I love the mirrors up here. These are dupes of the Restoration Hardware ones. I would put up a picture of what those look like. And I got these from Home Goods like last year for, I think they were like $70 a piece. So yeah, in a perfect world, I would line the top of the mirror up with the door frame. But they're just way too tall for that. Like if I was to do that, they would be way lower and would interfere with the console table. So they're a little bit higher, but that's fine. I love the console table. I think it's very simple, very clean, very minimal, which is what I really need for this space. I don't need anything big or chunky to take away from how small it is anyway. So this was perfect. With the lamp, I'm gonna have to figure something out because so I measured this and I didn't take into account that the mirrors would be on top of the console table, so it's going to take away from some of the space. So it's actually kind of not sitting all the way on the console table, which really bothers me. So I'm either going to have to find a different lampshade or just change the lamp in general. But this lamp is actually from Target. It was the collaboration from last year with Studio McGee. Again, another Restoration Hardware dupe. It was only like $45, which was a steal, and I love the lamp. I love the little knot detail. So yeah, I love that there. I just got to figure out how I'm going to make this fit better. Like I said, I painted the ceramic jars or bottles down here just to add a little bit of something down here on the bottom shelf. I didn't want to do too much. I put this picture right here. I actually painted this and just put it in a frame just to add a little bit of a layering element to the space. This is a little catch-all that I put right here just so I can throw my keys and everything in there. The candle, I feel like you always need something smelling good in your entryway, so when people come in, it just smells really nice. So I just use this little footed bowl candle that I got at Home Goods a while back. I think it's perfect. I originally wanted a console table that was glass on the top and the bottom. I was very adamant about not getting anything mirrored on the top because I already have mirrors in here, and I felt like if I had something mirrored right here, it would feel really glam, and I wasn't going for that look. So I wanted glass on the top and bottom, which it is, but the bottom is like an opaque black glass. And I didn't know if I was gonna like that or not. I felt like if it was both like clear glass, it would just open it up a little bit more. But I'm actually not mad at this because I can fit like some slides, like my barefoot shoes and everything up under here. The ones that I use right away when I come in and take my shoes off at the door and just slide my barefoot shoes on, so, or my slippers. So I feel like that worked out really well. Let me give you guys a close-up though. Okay, I had to take my light off the top of this camera just so I can take the camera down. But so this is what it's looking like over here. Just a little close-up for you guys. This is the picture that, or the painting that I did. It's really simple. Use some spackling and black paint. This is a catch-all. This is a dupe for the CB2, or I think it's at Crate & Barrel. It's a catch-all, petrified wood. This is only $19.99 from Home Goods. I think it's really good to just throw my keys in there so I don't lose them within the rest of the house. And then this little footed bowl candle, which I have showed you guys before. It was $14.99 at Home Goods, and I just think it's so cute. Not your regular candle, just adds a little bit of visual interest. And then over here we have the lamp that I was telling you guys about. I really love the lamp. I just didn't take into account how thick the mirror was, so it's kind of pushing the lamp out, which is making it not fit onto the console table. So I'm probably just gonna get a different shade and put on top of this, or just put a different lamp in general right here, but I just love the detail on it. Like this little knot kind of looks like a little hand holding it up, but I love that. The mirrors are gorgeous. I love these mirrors. Like I said, these are dupes for the Restoration Hardware mirrors, and they were only like $70 a piece at Home Goods. That's me. And then down here I just have these little glass jars or bottles that I got from Home Goods a while back, or they're from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. They're like $6 for the big one and like $5 for the small one. And I just mix up some paint with some baking soda. You guys all know the trick to make it look ceramic. I wanted it to look kind of rough and rustic, so I wasn't trying to make it perfect, and I think they turned out really well. Love their irregular shape. I hate that cord. I'm gonna have to figure something out with that. But I do want a rug in here. I actually found one that I loved, but I don't know if I want to do like a runner or like a wider one. So this area is kind of, I think it's like 5 by 6, and the rug I was looking for, or the rug I was looking at, comes in a 4 by 6 size. So it would be really wide, but it will make it look so much homier right here. I don't want to do too much, so you guys let me know if I should do a runner or a wider rug to kind of cover up the whole area. But this is what it's looking like so far. I'm actually really pleased with it. It's not too much, but it's something that you can look at when you first get in. And yeah, so let's get on to my little nook area. Welcome to my nook. Okay guys, so this is my little nook. It's actually off of my living room, kitchen, dining area. So when I moved in, I saw this nook. It actually has like a little recessed light right above it, and I initially wanted to put my bookcase right here. But then I was thinking it's so perfect to put like, you know, like a pedestal or something that I can kind of switch up the styling and display what I buy over time. So that's what I'm gonna do. I decided not to put my bookcase over here. It's actually on the opposite wall, which works out perfectly. But what I'm thinking is, forgot to put my phone on vibrate. Just sharing my Canva kind of footprint with you guys. I put a mirror in the background. I feel like I was looking at the Restoration Hardware floor mirror. I forget what it's called, but I was gonna try to track it down at an outlet and get it, but I just felt like it was a little bit too ornate for my space. My space is very minimal and simple, and plus there's a lot of like silver fixtures around, so I felt like it was gonna kind of clash. So maybe in the future I will get that, but for now I actually found this mirror from Home Goods. It's very, you know, simple, clean lines. It has an interesting shape on the top, but it's not too much. I put the pedestal that I got a long time ago that I actually shared in my old living room tour. I got it on Facebook Marketplace. It is a total dupe, y'all, of the Restoration Hardware plinth, which is like over $1,000, and I only paid $145 for it. And it's massive and it's heavy, so I'm gonna put that over here as well, and I'm gonna put a bust on top of it and maybe some kind of stool or something on the bottom. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping it'll come out well, so I'm just gonna kind of do that and let you guys watch. So yeah.
Be delicate now. Put your back into it. Come on, now, be a man.
Okay. It's heavy. Okay. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like with the Geo Crystal. So let me know down in the comments if you like this or if you like the stool better. I think I'm kind of digging the stool because it's way less, you know, glam. But I like the Geo too. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me show you guys up close what this looks like. Okay, so this is the table base that I'm using as a pedestal right now. Like I said, it's a dupe of the plinth table that I saw on Restoration Hardware. Like even down to the veining looks just like it. It's crazy. And then this is the bust that I have sitting up here right now. I shared it in my last video, or my last home goods haul, and y'all, it's just so crazy. The detail on this looks so good. This little stool down here I got on Etsy. It's a dupe of one of the what is the name of that stool? I forget. I think it's by Charlotte. Don't get me the line. I don't know. I'll put up a picture, but it's a total dupe for it. I only paid $45, but I paid like $50 in shipping. But yeah, it's a total dupe for that stool, which is like, I looked online, it's like $9,000. $9,000. But this one was $45, so yeah, I just love the 3 legs on it. And here is the mirror that I have up here right now. Like I said, it's simple, but it's not, because it has like a design on here. So yeah, it looks really good. I think I like this setup better. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep the stool on there for now. I may change it later. Like I said, this is gonna be like my little styling little nook, so I can display all the beautiful things that I find. So yeah, why am I so out of breath? Oh, and I'm hot too. Oh, let's close this video out. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. We had so much fun. Got some decorating done. I broke a little sweaty sweat, but it's all good. Comment down below if you like the stool better or the Geo better in this little section. I'm kind of leaning towards the stool, but I don't really know. And also what you think I should do about my entryway, like if I should do a runner or if I should do a wider rug. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.